To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Open the conversation where you want to send a sticker. Then tap the emoji icon located in the text box. Now select the sticker tab from the available options. Here you will find the new Create button. If it doesn't appear, make sure to update your app. Now tap on it. If you would like to create a sticker from a photo in your gallery, tap the Use a Photo option. And select a photo. WhatsApp will automatically generate a sticker from the photo you've chosen. Now tap the Send button. If you tap on the sticker, you will have the option to either edit it, or add it to your favorites. The sticker will be added to your favorite stickers, allowing you to use it again later. Now, if you'd like to create an AI-generated sticker, tap the Create button and select the Generate with AI option. Enter a description of the sticker you'd like to generate. You will then see several stickers generated by WhatsApp based on your description. Tap on the sticker you'd like to send. The selected sticker will then be sent to the recipient. Similar way you can also add this sticker to your favorites for future use. To remove any sticker from your favorites, simply long press on it and tap Remove from the pop-up menu. From the confirmation menu, tap Remove. The sticker will then be removed from your favorites. So in this way, you can easily create and use stickers on WhatsApp.